Monster Point Chopper. This is a Patreon request from Nate over on Patreon. So I'm in a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser. Hit pause if we go too fast. Start with his head, right? And we'll do his hat just to get everything sort of in the right place. And then maybe we'll zoom in for you. Or we might not need to zoom in. It's simple enough, I guess. So we just do this curved line going across here. Okay. And then the side comes up this way. And then around. Right? This is just like the rim of his hat. Okay. And then the top of it comes up the side and around like so. And then we have this X. Inside like that. Might be some darker stuff there. So he's got this long sort of face, right? And it kind of goes out, in, out, and in. They're like his cheekbones, okay? And then this comes down, around, up in the middle. And down. Same sort of thing here. Around and up the side. Okay, so his nose is just up here. It's kind of this love heart sort of thing, right? So it bumps across here, down in the middle, down to there, and a line up the center. And then the side of his brow goes up to the top of his hat, just there. And then he's got these like glowing blue eyes just underneath the hat, just here. Okay. So his antlers, so stick out the side from his hat. So, and are there ears? We'll do the antlers first anyway. So the antlers come out here. And like up to a big point, just up here. And this comes around, back. And there's a few layers of these. So this comes down to here, and then we have like another one. And then another one. It looks like it goes in behind this one. So they kind of look like crab claws or candle flames or something. And you can put texture on them. And like another one just behind his hat here. I'm going to do sort of the same thing on the other side. It just goes up, around to a spike. Just comes down to there, back down. And the next one. Keep adding them, as many as you want, really. Depends on, I've seen people draw them differently, so, fan arts and stuff can do things differently. And another one in behind. There. And then texture. Like so. And then his ears. What we can see of his ears, just underneath the antlers, beneath them, just here. So he's got these big wide shoulders, okay? And they kind of bump, right? Because he's all furry. Right, so big, crazy wide, wider than normal shoulders. Okay. Out like that, and there's all fur. but we'll just go down and add some like hair spikes. Right, so this is like coming down on his arm. Lots of these furry sort of hair spikes just going down on his body. So he's got like this brown fur coming across here, and then he's got like normal skin sort of. Well, it's fur as well, but it's like smaller fur. Okay. So we have his arm that just comes down, hangs down here. And then his body comes down this side. Right. And then there's more fur in between, like hanging down his back, right? So, and it'd be in dark sort of shadow. Down there. And then so his arm here is sort of there and there. And then what we can see of his body. What distance are we talking? This. So his armpit should be here. So his body should like come down there somewhere. Okay. And then so he has a mane. So he's got like a couple of layers of all this hair, right? So I'm going to give him sort of like a mane sort of thing going on here. Right, and then more sort of texture and hairlines coming down here. So lots of these now. Like that. You can do as much of this as you like, really. That's it. Monster Point Chopper. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for the request, Nate. See you in the next one. Bye.